Come test drive this 2008 Audi A4. With fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this is a technologically advanced vehicle for the sport-inclined driving enthusiast. Audi made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all four corners. Audi prioritized handling and performance with features such as a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power convertible roof, and power windows. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.